Now let's write the rest of our program. If you guys recall, this program is supposed to get a bunch of names and then print them back out to us in reverse order. So let's do that. First thing I want to do is I want to have an index variable. I want to say int names index equals 0. And I'm going to stick that at the top of my method. Then I'm going to enter a while loop. I'm going to say while names index is smaller than, now this is where things get crazy. You guys ready for this? Names.count. I almost typed in length there because I was still stuck in arrays, but names.count. Again, the dot operator means that we want to do something on the variable to the left of it. And what we're doing is we're retrieving how many items were entered into this collection. Actually, I did things totally backwards right now. Let's back up real fast. We're not going to want to say while names index is smaller than names.count. What we're going to want to do instead, because we want to go through this collection backwards, is we want to set names index to names.count. And then we want to say while names index is greater or equal to 0. Then we're going to do names index minus equals 1. And we're going to say console write line names at names index. And of course, I totally failed. There we go. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to retrieve the count of our collection and assign it to a variable. And then we want to loop while this variable is still greater or equal to 0. And we want to print out the result of indexing the names collection based off that index variable. So now when I hit run, I can say Nelson, Lakay, test, test2, test3, whoa, stuff, and things. And then when I hit enter, we get a crash. The reason we get a crash is because I reversed where my decrement happens and I didn't change my equality operator. Whoops. It happens. So we do Nelson, Lakay, test, whoa, stuff, and things, and so on, and hit enter, and check that out. We get the reverse of what we typed in, and we can type in as many of these as we want.